3. Today we're leaving Death Valley, but first we have another sunrise stop. We're headed to Dante's View, which gives this beautiful overlook of the entire valley. And it's also the shot that they use to kind of show, if you're a Star Wars fan, Mos Eisley. And it's about a 40-minute drive from the Texas Springs campground. So Erica made coffee this morning. We broke down camp. It's 6:20 and we're headed up to see the pretty view. Yeah, the sun's not even up yet. It's really, really pretty. This is a great way, I think, to end a trip to Death Valley because you are kind of getting an like a bird's eye view of everything that you've just seen. Also, it is 50 degrees right now. It is February, but it's a great time to go to Death Valley. We're gonna watch the temperature drop. They say it's like 30 degrees colder. It's gonna be cold. P.S. If you haven't seen day 2 or day 1 yet and how we kind of mapped out our trip, you can definitely check out those videos. We'll put the links in the description below. Hey, we weren't paying attention and all of a sudden the car told us, careful, the roads might be icy. Maybe we'll enjoy the view from the car. Can't wait to show you. I just got a peep. Whoa! Okay, it's a little windy. Sure. And a little cold. Whoa! Look. Oh my God! So there's the trail that you can kind of go on. Just to like probably that little ridge spot right there. And I bet it gives some amazing panoramic views of just the entire lake bed. But it is windy! Yeah, it's a little too windy. Windy! So, I don't know, maybe we can, like a little, just, like a little. Look, the wind stopped. Okay. Let's try it. It's not that busy. There's like 4 cars. Yeah. This is definitely a spot worth getting up early. You can see down there, you can see like the trail. Badwater Basin Trail. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Chapstick. Okay, views. 10 out of 10. Oh, yeah. This is one of the most incredible views I've ever seen. It's pretty amazing, right? Yeah. Be prepared for the cold. Yeah. And the wind. I don't know if it's always that windy, but it was. Probably it's high up. I wanted to go down that little trail. We really tried. Thanks for trying. Yeah. That was awesome. Do you have any desire to go out and explore again? Or? No. I like that we used it as a finisher though, because we could be like, oh, that's where that is, and that's where this is, and oh, let me look for this thing, and that was really neat. I'm actually excited because we're gonna go out of Death Valley different than the way that we came, and just south of Death Valley, like about an hour south, are some hot springs, which feels right after being windblown in 40 degrees. This looks awesome. Yes. And horrific. And awesome. Like small town awesome. Like rustic. We're gonna try hot spring number 1. Can't show you the whole thing. Okay. I'm gonna take a little shower here. And ooh, how fun! This is amazing. Screaming. This is the perfect thing to do after being like in the cold air of Death Valley in the winter. Feels really nice. And there's 4 private
like soak tubs, so we're in a private one right now. And then there's a main pool that's also full of hot spring water with 4 individual jacuzzis, but it's all basically a hot spring jacuzzi. And they're open 24 hours a day, so you can sit out there in the middle of the night and stargaze.
Also on site, they have a barbecue restaurant and a brewery.
Also, if you like hot springs, you should check out our video about the Gila Hot Springs in New Mexico.
Those are nice.
Really nice. We'll put the link in the cards and in the description below. Okay, bye. We're gonna soak now. Bye. Bye.
Next, we're off to China Ranch Date Farm, a true hidden oasis in the Mojave Desert, just a few miles from the town of Tacopa, where the hot springs are.
Okay, we just saw some people leaving, which makes me feel weirdly okay because this is giving off murdery vibes. Or amazing vibes. It's like either one.
Babe.
Is this real?
Is it?
This is what it says.
Okay.
So many questions right now.
There better be 0 rain in the forecast. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is actually really cool looking.
But also, what the hell are we even doing?
Where are we?
Is
this right?
Yes! This is right. We followed all the signs. Like, this is right.
If this feels 1 ounce of weird, we're out.
It's got a lot of good reviews.
I'm excited.
In the 1890s, a Chinese man, Ah Fu, came to this canyon from the borax works in Death Valley. He developed a successful ranch raising livestock, hay, fruits, and vegetables to help feed the local silver miners and their draft animals. The Chinaman's ranch became a favorite resting spot with its cool running stream and beautiful trees. What? In 1900, Ah Fu disappears somewhat mysteriously, though the name has stuck. After many changes of owners and financially unsuccessful ranching attempts over the next 90 years, the current owners began planting young date palms in 1990 and opened China Ranch to the public in 96. More history and information are available at the gift shop. Enjoy your visit. What?
Okay.
Some baked goods. We have homemade date nut bread and a date and vanilla chip cookie. And we have some date shakes.
Cheers.
Cheers. What did you get in your date shake?
I got chocolate chips and walnuts in my date shake.
And I just got dates.
Ready to try it?
Yeah. It's subtle, and the ice cream that they made it with is quite good. And it's a little warm, even in February, so this is really refreshing.
Totally welcome.
How's yours?
Really good.
Now we're gonna try this date and vanilla chip cookie. Oh, it smells so good, just opening it.
They make all the baked goods here. I saw the lady carrying all of that, all like fresh goods out to the shelves like right when we were arriving. Okay.
Eat it. It's like they use dates in place of sugar, so it's not overly sweet.
It's kind of like an oatmeal cookie in place of maybe the raisins and sugar.
It's nice and soft.
I'm gonna put it in my ice cream, see what happens.
And up next, we're gonna try the date nut bread. It smells so good. Okay. Oh my god.
No, is it good?
It's so good.
Oh, it looks a little dry, to be honest. And so I was like, oh no, does this taste healthy?
It tastes like carrot cake, but a little bit more dense and a little bit sweeter. It's good. It's really good.
My favorite is the shake. What's your favorite?
You know what I think?
Warmed up with butter?
You know what I think?
What?
I think we're on a date. That was awesome and also totally random.
So unexpected.
So we're headed back up this janky dirt road
And I think we're gonna check out some breweries. We're here at Death Valley Brewing.
Spicy. It was good.
What'd you get?
Got like a spicy peach wheat.
And I got a double IPA. It has to be. It's like 8.something%. That's really good. It's nice and thick. Pro tip, come here, do the hot springs, but just pay for the day pass. Don't necessarily spend the night. Do the day pass, go to the date farm. That was really fun.
Yeah.
And grab a beer here. The owner, Dan, it's like a family business. He's super nice. The beers are really good, but just keep on going.
Also, there's no internet anywhere, no Wi-Fi, no data. So bear that in mind when you are making your travel plans here. Even at the hot springs, there's a little bit of Wi-Fi, but the wind blows the wrong way and then your Wi-Fi's down. And
It's small town stuff,
yeah,
you know.
and that's okay. And if you want to get unplugged, great. But if you want to do anything, like look up a map, you can't.
So we're just gonna enjoy these.
Then maybe another one.
All right, we are on our way home. We hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, and if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. Well, it looks like that's full.
Oh my gosh, God bless
Sorry.
you. It's January. No, it's February. Damn it. Turn! Hurry! 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 It's still turning the same color. Oh my god.
It is a
He said it's like a cult favorite or something. That was a very long pause between cult and favorite, and we were in a small town, so.
We have made the turn to ascend to.
Did you feel that?
Oh my god.
Me.
I did not put. Erica fell.
Look.
Erica fell.
Look. Cindy pushed me.
No. False.
Well,
False. Erica slipped.